Alright guys, welcome back to my tutorial. My name is Lucky Okbaka. In this video we're going to be dealing with our sales prediction, which we talked about in the last video, which I walked through my last tutorial. Of course, yeah, we'll be dealing this time we'll be writing the program. I explained to you, I walked with you, or I walked through the variables data types, and I brought it down because I want you to understand that you will be writing whatever data type we'll be using. I'm still going to go through it, but I just want you to get a clue of it. So right now let's just start with our program. Let's read the question. Sales prediction. Of course, this is the title of our project, of our assignment. A company has determined that its annual profit is typically 23% of total sales. Whoa. Design a program that assists the user to enter. Please take this word, get that word, and get this word. To enter the projected amount of total sales and then display the profit that will be made from that amount. We'll notate the point that will be out, and so let's just walk through it. Let's see what we got. So first of all, we're going to declare a variable, and we'll call it okay. The variables that you will declare determines the kind of information that will be installed, that you'll be storing on it. Storing. I don't know, I tend to confuse those two ways, but anyway, a company has determined that its annual profit is typically 23% of total sales, right? That means we're going to declare a double. Why? Because we were told right here that we should use 0.23 to represent 23%. So in other words, it's the only data type that allows this 0.23 and 0 point something is double. So we'll go and we'll say double. And what name should we give our variable? Let's say percentage. Percentage is equal to, because we are sending to already given, we're not going to allow the person to enter, we're just giving this one 0.23. So let's just, maybe I'm too lazy to type, let me just copy that and then paste here. And then don't forget to terminate, because if you don't terminate, it will yell at you saying there is an error, and I don't really like errors. Okay, and then that is the first point, is 23% of total sales. Now we're going to dig total sales. Let's also take note of this. It means we're going to declare a variable that we are going to be storing the amount of sales. So we're going to say double again. We cannot use integer. Of course we can use it, but double is more precise, because since we are dealing with percentage here, you may find out that okay, at the end of the day it gives you 0.23 and then the computer throws away 23 and they give you 0. We don't want that, so we're gonna say total sale. Total sales. And by the way, this underlines cause this for readability purposes. You see, I've just put underline. I didn't put spaces. A variable shouldn't contain a space anyway. You shouldn't do that. Computer is going to yell at you. And so total sale, we don't know what we're not giving a value, so we're going to terminate that right there. And the first, what again, we're told that we should assist the user to enter the projected amount, which is this one, of total sales, and then display the profit that we made from that sales. Okay, so we're going to ask the person enter Cout. Let's just make it a bit cool. Let's just put something on the screen and say this program is meant for sales. Is that how to spell meant again? Meant for sales prediction, I don't know. Sales prediction out, right? Let me just write meant nicely, otherwise I'm gonna be full in front of my subscribers. Whatever, I'm just gonna put it that way. Meant or mint, whatever. All right, this program is meant for sales prediction, right? And then let's just end that line. End line. We're just making the user understand the reason why we are writing, why this program, the purpose of this program. Yeah, so that the person, when they open it, will be able to know that, oh, this program is for sales prediction. And so we're going to tell the person to enter the amount of sale. See out, please enter the amount you made for this month. Of course, because we're told that for this month, not months, we're told that the total it will assist the user to enter the projected amount for the sales and then display the profit that we made from that sale. So we're gonna say, of course, we're gonna end that line, and then we're gonna say cin. Because we are taking something from the keyboard, we're going to use the word cin, and then we're going to be storing those things on variable. Please take note of these errors. You see how different it is. This one goes this side and this one goes this side. It's so different, so be careful. You are putting on the screen using this, and then you are storing using these ones, these two errors right here. And so you are storing it where? Our total sales variable, total okay, total sales, right? And then we terminate that, and then we're gonna make some calculation, and we're gonna say total sales. Going to say see out your profit. Okay, let me just, your profit for this month is, let's give ourselves some space, and then we're going to say total sales, not data, total sales times, where is it, just let's say times yeah, if I want to use times, is this asterisk or asterisk, or what is it called again? This is used for multiplication, times percentage, right, times percentage. So what, then we're gonna at least end that line again and then terminate, and then our program will run successfully, and so we must return by 0. If you got any question or comment, please hit me on the comment box below. And so if what the computer is going to do is that it will print this the purpose of this program, the purpose of our program, and then I'll tell the person to enter the amount they made this month, and then it will store those whatever the person enters on the sales total amount, total sales, and then it will display your profit for this month is, and then it will make calculation. Obviously, if you enter 100, it will say 100 if you made 100 rand, it will multiply that 100 rand by percentage to 0.23%, and then it will display the amount for you. So that is just the cool feature for this. If you got a better way you can write this, please hit the comment box and then tell me how far you've gone. Let's just compile and run this. Of course, we want to save it, and we'll call it sales prediction, and then save it. Let's run it. I hope it didn't give us an error, otherwise, alright, no error. So this program is meant for sales prediction. Of course, please enter the amount you made for this month. So let's say we enter 200. So your profit for this month is 46. All right, we've just made 46 for this month. Okay, close. Let's just run it again, and then let's enter another amount. Let's say we made 90,000. Our sales, we sold 90,000, right? And then is that 9,000 or 90? Yeah, let's just 90, because I right now I just need money right now. I just need like $1 million right now, and then press enter, and then you say your profit for this month is 20,700. Wow, I wish I can make that at this moment for this month. 20,000 row, yo. Okay, so that is just it. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. In the next video we'll be dealing with other cool stuff. I don't know what is coming, but please hit the comment box, subscribe, and I love you guys anyway. Thanks for sticking with me, and please subscribe the button. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks.